Zinc is an essential part of our world, quite literally. The 24th most common element found in the Earth's crust. It is also common in ocean water and soil. It's also an essential mineral for human health. Zinc is an essential micronutrient, meaning the human body requires it for survival, but only in small amounts. Zinc impacts enzyme and hormone production, growth and development, immune system functioning, energy levels, protein production, wound healing, and even mental health. Zinc deficiency is uncommon, but certain health factors create deficiency risks, such as pregnancy, vegetarianism, pregnancy, lactation, sickle cell disorders, or alcohol use disorders. Signs of deficiency may include poor appetite, low mood, decreased immunity, delayed wound healing, a lack of smell or taste, diarrhea, or hair loss. 1. Beef. Beef consumption is responsible for roughly 20% of the zinc intake in the United States, and the U.S. is the largest consumer of beef in the world. Americans love their red meat, but what do we need to know about beef and zinc? Well, beef in general is a good source of zinc. For example, roasted bottom sirloin contains 3.8 milligrams per 3-ounce serving, which will get you about 35% of the recommended daily value. 2. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds can be a good source of food zinc, especially for vegans. A 3 tablespoon serving of hemp seeds can provide about 3 milligrams of zinc, which is a significant portion of the recommended 8 to 11 milligrams per day recommended for adults. 3. Cashew nuts. Tree nuts are generally very nutrient-dense, and packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Just 1 ounce of cashews can provide about 15% of your daily value of zinc. For those without nut allergies, these nuts can be an easy way to sneak more zinc into your diet. Native to Brazil, cashew trees were brought to India and Africa via Portuguese colonists. They soon spread throughout Southeast Asia. 4. Pumpkin seeds. 1 serving of pumpkin seeds contains roughly 6.6 milligrams, or around half your daily requirement of zinc, making them a beneficial snack for reducing body inflammation and proper immune functioning, along with the many other health benefits of proper zinc intake. 5. Kefir and yogurt. Kefir and yogurt are commonly touted for digestive benefits among health food enthusiasts. Both are created by fermenting milk. Beyond being good sources of protein, both offer probiotics, calcium, phosphorus, B12, vitamin D, magnesium, and zinc. Several ounces of plain yogurt contains around 1.2 milligrams of zinc.